Everything blooms in its own perfect time. Yes, that's true. Like these flowers, we small YouTubers, we all have our own different time frame of blooming in this industry. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today is another day for our monthly collab entitled Mastermind Influencers Team. And I am doing this collab with the 5 other lovely ladies, and anyone is welcome to join as long as you think you can share something for all YouTubers, especially for small YouTubers like us, an input that could help grow our channel. I will put their channel's link on the description box below, so please check them out. You will not regret checking their channels. You will learn different things that you can consider using as a content in your own channel. Like flowers, small YouTubers also undergoes dark days. Like we have all those dark moments as we start our channel. We kinda don't know if we are doing the right thing, and by slowly pushing and pushing and pushing, we eventually learn to grow, and we eventually learn what could be the right content for us to use. So just a disclaimer, guys, I am not an expert. Our channel is not monetized yet. Yes, yet. It's not yet monetized, but like you, we are also hoping and praying that one day we will be able to hit that jackpot button. I already mentioned that like flowers, we do bloom in a different time frame, and we all undergo difficult moments, and eventually we learn to grow, and we find the right way on how to make it easier for us to grow our channel. But sometimes, guys, even if we already knew what to do, we still get overwhelmed and we get panicked too. You know why? Because of the thinking that we need to get monetized soon. We get pressured by our co-YouTubers, especially if we knew that these new YouTubers get monetized ahead of us. It is good to be inspired and be motivated by these monetized channels, but it is not healthy to burn out ourselves and push more if we already knew that it's not helping. If you think that things are falling apart, please stop. Stop, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what am I doing? Yes, ask yourself. It happened to me, guys. Honestly, it happened to me. I was kind of like, okay, what is going on? What am I doing? So I just basically stop and try to digest everything that's been happening. I recalculated everything so I could get myself back on track. If you lost your way along the process, do not hesitate to look back. Looking back is the only way for you to figure out what went wrong along the way. And if you think you found yourself again, be thankful to those people who help you recognize what had happened or what had went wrong. Be thankful. And speaking of being grateful, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts to all of you guys who keep on supporting us, keep on watching our videos, keep on giving inputs on what to do and what not to do. There are a lot of monetized channels there who is doing live streaming and giving inputs on what would be the right thing to do and what is not the right thing to do in YouTube for us to grow our channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts to all those watching us, even though you didn't subscribe. Thank you still. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oops, I'm not done yet. Yes, I just want to say thank you first before I totally, lost my mind and proceed with this inputs that I'm trying to give. One of my YT friend asked me, what did I do to increase my WH and my followers? So if you want to know, just keep on watching and listening to what am I gonna say, okay? If you are active in YT, you will notice a lot of YouTube creators are doing live streaming, and it's actually a good way. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's a good way to gain more followers and to get more views. But as for me, I am not really comfortable doing it, and it's kind of hard when you're dealing with too much pain, and I can't really face the camera and talk at the same time. It's not I'm afraid of it, but I think it's not the right time for me yet. But I really want to do it, guys, believe me. Maybe I just need to recruit my husband and my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law to do it, so I could, it will be fun, I guess, yeah. But since we're not into live streaming, what I did or what we did to increase our WH and our followers is we tried to reply as much as possible, or as soon as we can, to all those leaving comments on our videos. We check if they have a channel, we also watch their videos. If they don't, we just say thank you. We always try to make them feel that they are welcome to leave comments and watch our videos, even though maybe they don't really watch it until the end. But we are grateful and thankful that that they are there supporting us. So for me, I think that helped a lot to increase the WH and the followers that we have. If you are planning to create your own YouTube channel, please plan ahead of time. Think of what content you would like to share to the viewers. Be like these fishes that's so eager to swim, go up and down just to figure out what they can get. Do not be afraid to explore anything. Like in our channel, you can find anything. There's a road trip, there are cooking, there are DIY, tablescape, different kinds. And the reason for that is because I was just basically exploring before. I was just trying to use my unproductive time to be productive, because I had an injury. If you were following our channel, I mentioned it a few times. I had an injury, and I had this anxiety, and I need to do something to be productive. That's why anything that I think I was able to do, I was just doing it, and I didn't expect that it would give a good turnout. Please do remember as well that you put your heart in all the things that you do, not just in YouTube, I guess, but it would be easier if you love what you're doing. Because if you love what you're doing, no matter how hard it will look like, you will be able to surpass all those challenges. Do not hesitate to fly if you need to fly, but do not also forget to take time to rest, lay down, take a deep breath, enjoy what you have, don't stress out, the end of the day, if it's meant to be, it will happen. Please stop looking at your analytics from time to time. I am guilty of this, and I know many of us can relate. We kind of like, excited, like, oh, how many WH do I got? Like, oh, how many followers added on my channel? Like, we're all guilty on it. And I think it is because we really want to get monetized. The sooner the better. But let us not forget that the more we think of money, the more stressful it is, because we kind of like really try to push ourselves. It's good to push ourselves, but at some point we kind of need to remind ourselves that, oops, it's not healthy anymore. Like, will it gonna be worth it? I don't know how much YouTube are gonna pay me, but as far as I know, I love what I'm doing, and I would love to get something out of this, because let's admit it, it's a time consuming, and it's kind of like, it's kind of like a work, it's kind of like a career if you are in YT. But what I am just trying to emphasize, guys, is try to find the content that you really love doing, because that way you will not feel exhausted. And if you're stressed out, always find time to go out, spend more time with yourself in nature or wherever you feel like going, because at the end of the day, guys, whatever you get from doing all these things, it will just be between you and yourself. So take care of yourself, be well, eat healthy foods, take some time to rest, get more sleep, drink a lot of water, all those things, guys. Because getting monetized while staying healthy is the real jackpot, guys. So stay safe, everyone, and until our next collaboration, we hope to see you in joining this collaboration next month. It's in every first Sunday of the month. Feel free to throw your ideas and share all the knowledge that you gained by doing this YouTube. Until our next upload, see ya, enjoy the sunset, bye.